Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Hazard. Hazard means danger or risk. For example, the hazards of smoking. The hazards of smoking. Synonyms: danger, risk, peril.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The benefits of antiplatelet therapy outweigh any hazards. Now, repeat after me. The benefits of antiplatelet therapy outweigh any hazards. The second exemplar. The doctor delivered a speech on the hazards of smoking. Now, repeat after me. The doctor delivered a speech on the hazards of smoking. The third exemplar. The main hazard is the risk of deep vein thrombosis. Now, repeat after me. The main hazard is the risk of deep vein thrombosis.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Only 2 English words in current use end in "gry". They are angry and hungry.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.